What's going on, guys? In this episode, what does it take to get 1,000 subscribers? And is it really worth it? All that work for 1K subs? And am I making any money with this video? And how did I do this? And if you have so many more questions, that's completely normal. Subscribe to my channel and I'm sure you'll find out all the answers you're looking for. I'm H2K, let's get right into the video.
H2K.
In this episode, how I got to 1,000 subscribers. How did I do it? What did it take? Was it easy? Right? So what does it mean being a YouTuber that has 1,000 subscribers today in 2020? Let's find out. Am I famous? I mean, I don't know. So first of all, the setup. Let's talk about your YouTuber setup, or your niche, or your niche, or whatever, how you guys want to call it, right? So my setup basically is a studio setup. When I started on my first couple videos, the setup was like really basic. Right? If you look at my setup now, I got a little bit of background information about myself. You can see that I have a guitar. I play the guitar. I get asked questions about the guitar all the time. I have like a nice view coming at me. I mean, it's not a perfect camera because I'm using it for multiple reasons, and it's not my only scene, right? If I want to talk about scenes, I'm gonna have to talk about OBS Studio. We're gonna put a little bit of background music. Audio, first thing, right? You want to know how you sound. So if you're streaming, you can listen to yourself through your phone or anywhere else because you're streaming, right? So right now I'm streaming. I can play it through my phone, see how I'm sounding. First thing, right? You want to know how you sound. So if you're streaming, right? I think it sounds pretty darn good. So audio test is good. How did I get my audio to sound the way it sounds? Well, in OBS Studio, I can play with the quality of the sound. I do have a microphone. I think you can get a microphone like this for 25 bucks on Amazon. If you look, there's a lot of cheap mics out there. USB plug-in right into your computer, which makes it super easy. This is a USB plug-in mic, a Pile, one of the basic ones. I went on a $25 mic. You don't have to invest a lot. The programs today make your sound good. I can compare this microphone to a $2,000 microphone, and the $2,000 microphone is going to sound way better for sure, but it's for 25 bucks to $2,000. I'm sure you're getting your money's worth for $25 on this microphone. And let's talk about taking your time. I'm taking my time right now because YouTube is not a race, it's more of a marathon. If you keep going, you're gonna do great, right? You just have to keep improving on your YouTube channel non-stop. You're gonna start, you're gonna suck. I also learned how to do is work with a green screen. Actually, if I do this live, it might be even cooler. So basically, this is my real background, but I have the green screen set up. So anything green that I pick up, if I put my LED behind that painting, by the way, I did that. I made that myself. If I put that green, right? So I made it green. So anything green becomes transparent or black, basically, right? So that's how I set that up in my OBS. So I can't put the background green, but I really like orange. That's my color. I can make it do all kinds of fancy things, but that's the color that I like. So the green screen, I recently learned how to use it. I was using Chroma Cam before. So the green screen setup basically does this. I had to install a green screen in my background, right? A movable green screen, because some people like this setup better. So some people like to see the real setup of the YouTube studio. So to get the best of both worlds, I had to understand how to use a green screen, and I hooked it up to my ceiling on a rack. So basically, and once I learned how to do that, it was game over. Now you've given me too much power with video. So I ended up making a whole bunch of different things, like what I'm gonna call Rocket League scenes. So if I go to, let's hope everything's okay, because my Discord, my OBS seems to be all messed up. Let's say I go to booth. Boom. So I'm in a booth with my buddy Stan here, who doesn't talk much, but he's pretty awesome, right? I'm H2K and I'm a Rocket League player, so why not put myself in the Rocket League world? And that's something that I did to make my YouTube channel look. You gotta be creative and you gotta think of different ways to be different. So what I did was create many scenes. Like my favorite one, I'm gonna call, where is it? The hot dog scene, right? So I'm pretty sure there's 2 audio tracks playing at the same time. Yes, there was. So look, audio is a huge problem. Like, getting audio live good is really hard. Right now I probably sound super far away because the microphone's all the way over there. But at least I'm standing up and it works with the scene, right? So how did I get a live Rocket League world mixed in with myself, mixed in with some egg animations, waiting in a hot dog line in Neo Tokyo? How the hell did I do that? Now, it takes a lot of creativity and it takes a lot of program knowledge. And it just takes a lot of troubleshooting. Let's talk about troubleshooting. So back to the nice calming music. There we go. The music that I use is legit YouTube safe music all the time. And I had to learn that the hard way. How did I get from 0 to 1,020 subscribers? So 6 months, man. And I slowed down. I used to make way more content and I slowed down, but I changed it up, right? So it took 6 months to get 1,020 subscribers. And is it worth it? Am I a millionaire now? Am I making any money with that? No. I'm not making any money with YouTube at all right now. Actually, if I were to tell you guys how much I'm down on YouTube, I can't believe we're gonna do this. Let's watch H2K's first video. Oh man, this is not gonna be good. I almost don't want to do this. I did a video. My first YouTube Rocket League video is how to go pro in any game. Oh my god. What kind of nonsense am I saying there? Fine. What's up, guys? Do you suck at video games and want to get better? Are you tired of losing in ranked? Is this you? This game is bad! Not bad. But you want to be more like this? Then watch my video and let the How To King show you how it's done. My name is Joey and welcome to my channel. Oh my god. Oh no, what is that? This game, I'm not pro. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm talking about. I know it takes a lot of time. First thing you gotta tell yourself is it takes hours. It takes a lot. 6 months ago, it was 1651. Try hard, Rocket League. Any game you guys choose. We could go to the last video, but okay, fine. What's going on, guys? Are we trying to find out why champions are champions, or why champs are champions, or why champions are champs? Watch this video and I'm sure we'll find out why. Let's analyze some mechanics, gameplay, and let's head into some ranked. What actually happens if you take a champion player and you stick him in a GC lobby? Well, we're gonna find out. Let's see what happens when I do that. Let's find some mistakes, positioning, whatever he's doing wrong. Let's find out if we can help that champ get the champ 2 or grand champion. Let's get right into the game. H2K. The intro's way better. So let's try to make our videos. A video gets boring at like 6 minutes. So we gotta make our videos last and unboring. That's the key. Okay? So which programs do I use? The programs that I use right now, I'm using Video Suite 2020 as my editing program. So let's open up a project that I should be doing soon. Twos with Verge. How's that? You get a sneak peek.
Yeah, it's on YouTube.
I remember.
Yeah, so I just got 223 on my first try holding arrow right.
Oh, nice. Back to recording. So if I open up my thumbnail, so from the green screen, I ended up doing this here. Cool. All right. This thumbnail took me, what, 20 minutes to make? I'm getting pretty good at making thumbnails. That's a pretty good thumbnail, I gotta be honest. I'm gonna put it up on YouTube. What else we gotta talk about? What does it take to be a YouTuber? Well, how many videos did I upload? Go to my YouTube channel, go to videos. So just this week, or 1 week ago, in 1 week, 4 videos. 2 weeks ago, 2 videos in that week. 3 weeks ago, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 videos in that week. Well, it's a streaming. I was streaming on YouTube, and when you stream on YouTube, which I will be doing again. Here's why. Because on YouTube, I get way more views. And I'm working on a streaming computer that should be way easier to use, and the stream quality should be good on YouTube as well. So on average, 3 videos. I'd say 3 videos per week. I've been doing that for 6 months. And if we look at the thumbnails, so we just saw my thumbnail. I made that thumbnail in 20 minutes. And to be honest, I just did it on stream, and it's a pretty good thumbnail. Like, I like this thumbnail. A little bit of green screen in the background, who cares? So peanut butter steaks, I mean, I started doing cooking videos, and I made a couple cooking videos. In the end, the peanut butter steaks are actually edible, and they're really good, so you can try that out. More Rocket League videos, and then bam, Gordon Ramsay cooking video, Rocket League videos. I started mixing in some hockey there. I had a series about every rank. I would do the tips. So as a YouTuber, you gotta be really creative with your stuff, right? So that's why I'm gonna stream on YouTube, because on YouTube you can see when someone streamed it. And if you look at someone like Dr. Disrespect, who we're gonna compare ourselves a lot to, because he's very successful right now and he has a lot of subscribers, and it's not for nothing, because he's a beast. He's going to the club. You gotta invest in your stuff, man. He's invested. Look at this. Are you kidding me? Damn, Dr. Disrespect.
Hard as a rock. Made out of stainless steel and carbon fiber and other alien technology. Click right here.
Oh.
Click. Now, don't be shy. Click. What are you waiting for? Click it. Click it. Come on, click it. Come on. Come on, click it.
Goddamn Dr. Disrespect. He's got a full team working for him, man. You know, I'm by myself here. I mean, Tanya can only do so much. So it's hard to keep up like someone with Dr. Disrespect, but I think one day at a time, one scene at a time, I'll get there. So that's that. Now the program that I use, let's talk about the program. OBS Studio. OBS Studio is my streaming program, and basically it's the program that I use to do all the YouTuber recording. I record down here in the bottom right here, right there, and it's just a good program. I was using Streamlabs OBS, as you can see that it's attached to the pin bar. I don't use it anymore because there's less stuff you could do with it. I just have more control with OBS Studio, to be honest. So that's pretty much it for the video, guys. How to get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. You just saw it. It takes a lot of work. I've been at it for 6 months. I haven't made a dime. I've actually invested maybe 200 bucks into the channel plus my time. That's probably only in programs. If you're counting the hardware, then it costs way more. Okay, hope you guys liked this video. I'm H2K. See you guys next time. Peace.